The amazing thing about Exosomes is that there's so much potential out there, and we're really just at the tip of the iceberg with the technology. And that's really exciting because what we're already seeing is not just decreased recovery time, but also enhancement of results. My name is Seth Brockman with Cartessa Aesthetics. I have been working with Cartessa for about 7 years. I'm the area vice president for the DMV. So with Dr. Kim, we've been working together for about 3 years now. The first probably 6 months or so was learning his practice, what his patients want, and what their expectations are in terms of results. So we landed on the Virtue RF because it combines a really high level of efficacy, so really good results, but it comes in a package that a lot of his patients were looking for, which is minimal downtime and minimal discomfort. What the Virtue RF offers is a really nice rejuvenation of the skin. So what I mean by that is we're looking at fine lines, wrinkles, pore size, acne scar, and just thinning of the skin as we age. And so what the Virtue does a really nice job of is reactivating the cells that are responsible for healthy, youthful looking skin and kind of kicking them in the butt and making them produce the building blocks of that healthy, youthful looking skin. The Virtue RF treatment is really well tolerated. What we're gonna do is apply a topical numbing cream onto the skin and let that sit for a little bit. They'll take it off, prep your skin, and start the treatment. It's a very easy procedure. It lasts about 30 minutes, 40 if you're doing your face and your neck, which I recommend. And it's less than 6 hours of downtime. And by downtime, I mean just pink red skin. It doesn't hurt. There's no lingering after effect. Your skin's gonna have a really nice sheen and shine to it after the treatment. There's post-care that we recommend and sunscreen. That's it. It's so easy. Anyone can do it. Virtue RF is not a one-size-fits-all treatment. So what we're able to do with it is during a consult, ask the patient what their expectations are, really what they're looking to see improved in their skin. And you can adjust the energy settings and everything else, really make some fine-tuned tweaks to it so that it's the right treatment for you. And there's so many different things that the machine can do in terms of improving the quality of your skin overall and the appearance of the sign of aging skin, that again, you just need to go sit down with Dr. Kim and his staff and they're gonna come up with an amazing plan for you. The amazing thing about Exosomes is that there's so much potential out there, and we're really just at the tip of the iceberg with the technology. And that's really exciting because what we're already seeing is not just decreased recovery time, but also enhancement of results. Now, we're still really trying to prove some of that, but what's amazing is we're already seeing it with our own 2 eyes. So when you have something like Virtue RF microneedling and combine it with state-of-the-art technology like Exosomes, it's a beautiful marriage. It's the very nice synergy between the two where, and sorry for the cliche, but it's 1 + 1 = 3. PRP was such a popular thing a few years ago. It takes it a step further. It actually has 3 times the amount of growth factors that you would find in PRP. The staff here is wonderful. The environment here is amazing. There's always a little puppy running around. You'll be happy. You're smiling from the time you come into the door and to the time you leave, just with better looking skin, feeling better about yourself, and just joy in your spirit. You're going to get a great result with whatever you do here at the practice. The Virtue RF is a piece of that pie, but like everything else in life, there's no magic bullet. Be open to getting into some new skincare, getting into maybe a couple different procedures, maybe even considering surgery. They do it all here, and they do it at a very high level. The Virtue is a very integral part of this, but be open to come and explore the entire practice. You're not going to regret it.